How's it going, YouTube? My hearted brain here. It's Monday, the beginning of the week. I just wanted to show a quick video of a fantastic sauce. We're going to be using this throughout the week on anything and everything. Steak, tacos, salads, chicken, you name it. What we're doing here is we have red bell peppers. We're going to be roasting those guys and making a roasted red bell pepper sauce. We have simmered some garlic for around 30 minutes and peeled them. You can see them just over here. I have our garlic, we have our onion, some parsley, some Parmesan cheese, and a baguette. All of this will be used to make a bruschetta, and let's get started. So we're going to start with our red bell peppers and our olive oil. We're just going to go ahead and put some olive oil on our pan here. Get it nice and saturated so nothing sticks and everything. I'm going to go ahead and take our red bell peppers and just place them on there. Doesn't matter any order. I'm going to go ahead and slice up some of these other ones. You can go ahead and take the seeds out of there. Just your preference, but just cut them up. We'll take the onion as well and just put it here on this this pan. We'll roast it in the oven at 450. Alright, start chopping the onion. Use any onion you'd like, sweet, white, yellow, just up to your preference and your taste. If you can use hot peppers if you'd like. It's up to you. Any type of pepper would be great for this. A little more olive oil, coat the tops. Alright, so now that these guys are ready and olive oiled, we're going to put them in the oven for, we'll put them in the oven for about 20 minutes. At 425. Okay, we'll see you here shortly. Welcome back. We have our red bell peppers and onions all roasted already. We're sitting them here, letting them cool a little bit. We don't want to blend them right away, but now that we've let them cool, we're going to go ahead and put them into our little blender here. So let me grab a utensil, and we'll start filling these guys as much as you want here. Don't want to overfill. Onion. Okay, at this point we'll want to do a little bit of garlic. This is up to you, just depends on how garlicky you want it. I enjoy garlic, so we have all this. We're going to go ahead and just put a little bit of salt and pepper in. Okay. A little bit of salt. We have the coarse salt that you can do fine ground. Now that that's all situated, go ahead and put this guy on. That's tight. Shake it up a little bit. Grab our bullet here. We'll just give it a little bit of Now, depending on how thick this is, you might want to add a little bit of olive oil, just so it blends a little bit nicer. And adding that olive oil will also take away the thickness, so you can get a consistency you want. Okay, let's see what it looks like here, see if we're happy with the consistency. And yes, it's looking good. show this just a little bit here. So you can get it a little bit thinner if you like, but I like that, a little bit thicker. That way it doesn't run everywhere. Now that we have this situated, this goes back. Put that guy back on. And the next key part that we want to do is we want to take the baguette and we want to use the olive oil and the flavor that we still have on the pan here. So we're going to take our baguette and we're going to cut diagonally so it gets more surface area and you can put more on it. Diagonally here. While I'm using that, I should be getting a bread knife. Get nice and even cuts, the bread knife is the best. These guys are ready. Okay. Now that we have these, we can go ahead and put them on here. And we want to soak up some of that olive oil. All right. Flip them over, get it on both sides. This will get nice and crisp. And it won't burn or anything. Here we go. Okay. Now, we'll go ahead and get this ready. We can cut some more, take the other vegetables off and blend them if we need be. And we'll put these guys back in the oven, just the baguettes, back in the oven for just a little while till they're nice and crispy and golden brown. And then when we take them out, we'll start preparing the baguette. Okay, now that we have our baguette toasted, you can see it's nice and crispy, golden brown here. We're going to start making the bruschetta, and this is how I like to do it. I really enjoy garlic, so we're going to take a little more garlic. I'm just going to take one of these guys. I'm going to take a clove or two of this garlic that we have simmered just earlier. We're just going to put a nice little layer down here. It's real easy to spread. And once we have this guy, we're going to take some of our roasted red bell pepper sauce and grab a spoon. Okay, here we go. We're just going to put some of this on here, as much as you would like. And now I'm going to take a little bit of Parmesan. I'm just going to do a nice little dusting. As much as you'd like there. And the last little touch is some parsley. Just a bit more here. And that is my version of bruschetta. Can't wait to try it here. So, a shot of that. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, here we go. Very crisp. Yeah, it has a little sweetness to it. That is very good. Thank you for watching. Comment and subscribe and enjoy.